created the heart, and I'm back to share my my subscription for my stamp and die of the month and my box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. I'm also going to share whatever Black Friday stuff. I think I got most everything in. I think the only thing I'm waiting for is my honeybee stamps. That did not come. So let's hope it does. We're going to get started. The stamp and die of the month is so cute this month from the Not Too Shabby shop. I always get the die, and the stamp is really cute. So it's not really like Christmas themed, which I think is really great. So we're looking into sort of, you know, Valentine's and spring and just winter. So really cute. I can't wait to play with this. It may not be just yet because I'm still but still doing sort of more holiday projects still. Okay, so here it is. Let me open this up. So you get in the box of the month, subscription box of the month, you get usually 3 stamp sets. I think last month or the month before, maybe we got 2 because one of them was really large. But generally you get 3 stamp sets. So the 3 stamp sets I really like this month. We have this really cute, it's called Cozy Forest Friends. So this is very winter themed, not necessarily Christmas, just winter. I'm really liking it. I think I'm going to look into doing maybe thank you cards with this for my kids. They do thank you cards for their family, So there's that one. And then this one, which is Snuggle Weather, which is really cute. And then this one right here, which is called Dear Friends. So very pretty. And then you get 2 paper pads. So this one is called Snow Critters, which is really cute. And then this one is Fawns in Winter, which has just this sort of more contemporary feel to it, which I normally, it's not really my thing, but I actually really like the colors in this. So I think it's going to work for me. And then you get 2 ephemera that usually match the paper. So this one matches this Fawns in Winter, has all these pretty, you know, fawns and everything, deer and little animals and things that go with nature. I think it's really pretty. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. I'm full around with that and figure that out. And then this one is just really pretty. A little bit more, I guess, spring maybe. I like it. It has that kind of almost a baby feel to it to me, like the colors, this blue and this soft pink. Really pretty. Can't wait to play with that. And then, you know, just a little card from Jamie thanking me for my support. And then there's just a little, with the sucker and a little bit of sequins, which I think will be fun to play with. So can't wait to play with that. And then Pink and Maine. So Pink and Maine came in a box, which is a cool box. So Pink and Maine, I got a bunch of stuff from there. And every time you spent, I forget how much you spent, you would get another gift. Maybe it's $25. I don't remember buying all these glitters. Did I buy all these glitters? Did they give me these glitters? I don't even know. But I'm going to find ways to use all this stinking glitter. I have no idea what happened. But I know that I did buy these stencils, because stencils are like my new sort of jam. So I bought this one, this polka dot one. This is a 2-step stencil. So you get the one that makes the leaves and then one that makes the berries. And then this one right here. And maybe they gave it to me because in place of the die, I'll show you. This is roses. And then this is kind of a wonky circles one. And then this one is a 2-stepper. So maybe 3 even. But you can stamp all the different pieces of, this is a hibiscus, it looks like. And then this is another roses one. So that, and then I got this, which is a Blessings Slimline die. So I really like just how that goes. I don't know exactly what it says. I think it's Autumn Blessings. So Autumn Blessings, Happy Fall, and Hello Friend, I think is what it says. So then this one, which is a pull and flip die, which I feel like I might have. Not sure. I'll have to look and see. But I do like it has this hello and hi and the star and all of that. So that's kind of fun. We'll have to play with that. I'll have to play with that. And then this is a box card die, which you can make a box card without a die, but I've always kind of wanted the die. So I think you cut it out like a couple of times and then you put it all together. So I'm going to have to play with that too. And then let's see what else I got here. So, maybe I did get the dies for it. Yeah, I must have gotten the dies. So I ordered the Wonderland. I do have a total thing for Alice in Wonderland. I don't know why that is, but I do. And I happen to really like this Alice in Wonderland. These dies are really stamps. I mean, they're real very, very cute. And this one could just be used more just as a princess, which I really like. And so I also got the dies with it. And then this was, I think this was our stamp and die for last month, but I just really like it. It's the s'mores. So you've got like, it's like fall and winter and spring maybe, you know, so it's kind of an all occasion type s'more stamp. Anyway, I really like it. And then you got freebies. So depending on, they're all fall freebies. So we got this one and this flower and these pumpkins. So those were freebies. And then I got these different glitters, which I actually really like. So this one is called Ocean Wave. And I just need to remember to play with my glitters more. This one right here, which is called Foliage. And this one is Night Sky. I like that. I think I'm really going to use this with this other thing. I'm going to show you what I got. I've already used this ice rink. I've used that already. And this one right here, which is Northern Lights. So this is all spectacular stuff. And I just got done cleaning my area and I just have made more of a mess. So let me move on to the next thing. So I did buy some things from, let's see. This is from Joggles. So I did buy some things from Joggles. So from Joggles, I got this Alice in Wonderland. See, I told you I have a thing. This is a Suka Studio. It was a Black Friday deal. So it was a really good deal, and it's just a little bit different take on Alice in Wonderland. I got this stamp set, but I didn't realize it was so humongous. But cool. So I got that. And then I got this. This is like a accordion album. And then a couple sort of cool Paper Panda Alice in Wonderland stamps. And then a couple paint. So I've got this silver paint and then this pearl white paint. So I got that. And then so I did buy the kit. So they had a kit, Tailored Expressions for Black Friday. And the whole kit, it was a really good price. It included their anti-static powder tool, which I do already have, so I might put that in the giveaway. A Versamark little ink cube, which I'm definitely going to use. Then we got all these different embossing powders. So we got this Jelly Donut Sparkle. We have this Cookie Monster, which I do have Cookie Monster already. So I might get that. I'm not sure. I have this one, which is also a sparkle. It's a Lollipop Sparkle embossing powder. a anti-static powder tool refill, which is cool because I think this powder tool will last you like forever. I mean, depending on how much you emboss, but it'll last a while. Some swatch dots. So I guess there's a way to put the embossing powder on here, heat it up so that you have little swatches of it. So it's cool. And then there's this, I really wanted this Party Vibes background, so that might be fun to play with. Very birthday. And then the stamp and the die. Treat yourself, let's party, surprise, happy birthday, hip hip hooray. I really like that too because that's just very, very usable. Okay, so moving on, cleaning out all my stuff of things. Oh, sorry, I also ordered a few more things from Tailored Expressions besides this, which was their gel printing paper, this foilet, and this mini strips wedding. So I ordered that. And then what else do I have here to share with you guys? Let's see. Oh, some Hello Bluebird. I think it was 40% off, 35 or 40% off. So I got this die. And then I got this die. This is all just a die. And then the words here, which is, oh, what fun. And then this stamp set and die. I hope I don't have this one. I'm going to have to look and see. So there's that. And then I ordered from La La Land Craft, which their special right now is 20% off. And so I didn't get the thing I really wanted, which was their large ornament die, but I might just wait getting that. I'm not going to use it anyways. I just have enough stuff to use. So I think I will probably buy it, you know, in the spring when I get 25% off with the retreat. So I love this paper pack. This is Starry Night. So I decided to get this one. And then they had on clearance these smaller ornament dies for really cheap because then you got 20% off. So, and then this laundry die. So I had my eye on that one too. No, I think I have a laundry die from Lawn Fun, but I did get that. And then from the new release, so okay, a couple things. One is they had a die sale, so 99 cents. So I did buy them. I think, pretty sure that I have the stamp that goes to this honey bee stamps, Rainbow Wishes. I'll have to look and see to make sure, but I'm pretty sure I do. And then Possum Stamps, this is their tea set. So I don't have the stamp to it, but I have had my eye on it, and that's just a good price. And then Sunny Studio, same thing with this. I don't have the stamp to this, but I've had my eye on it, and this is the Candy Shop. So I'm going to get that. And then for December, they do have a little code, which I always forget to use because, you know, I forget. So let's see here. With Hero Arts, if you spent $25 on Hero Arts, then you got something for free. So I did buy these tweezers, and I bought this. They have, it's like a galaxy, all a galaxy theme. So I bought this along with this stencil, and then I got this for free. So very fun. And then from Adorn It, I did order these, even though I don't even know if I'm going to even use these this year. But this stamp, very large gingerbread, along with this one right here. So I think I'm going to run out of time, honestly. And then the new release from Concord and 9th, they offered people who had been to their past events 20% off on the pop-up shop base dies. Now, I have base dies slightly different than this one from the holiday event that I went to, and I really loved them to pieces. So I did go ahead. I was like, oh, maybe I can just get away with using the old one, which I probably could. But we got 20% off, and you get all these other things that you can use with it, and maybe use it with that other die. I'll have to see. But they also had these other pieces to it. And I don't know if I got all of them. They might have a third one. But the bookshop dies I had to get as a librarian with the stamp set. And then this is a bake shop with the stamp set. So just adorable. And that is my haul. Thank you for watching. Send you Create the Heart.